Alright, viewers, you're welcome once again. This is Property Doctor TV, and today we'll be sharing with you. Perhaps you've been thinking, I want to build a duplex, I want to build an apartment, maybe for short let or for other reasons. Now, how do you construct it? Perhaps your problem has been that, okay, I'm not in Nigeria, how do I supervise this construction project? Or you're in Nigeria but you feel that you don't have the expertise to be able to do this. With me today is the CEO of Lonely Planet Guides Limited, and I'll be asking him what you need to do when you're about to take this step of a construction project. Good afternoon, sir. So, sir, can you share with our viewers what are the things, what are the steps, what are the things they need to look out for before deciding to build their home or a construction project?
It's just very simple. When you want to build or go into construction, depending on what you want, are you building for yourself? Are you doing a commercial house, or what do you want to do? First step you go, you get your architectural drawing, you get your civil engineers, and the bill of quantity prepared by the QS. These things help you give you an idea of how much that's going to be spent, and the drawing sent for proper approval to the state government, and you get your licenses so you can go to site. Then you do your proper tests, soil tests, find out the kind of construction, if you're going to need piling or raft, so that you will have a strong stability in your building, because these stability tests are very, very more, especially now that buildings are collapsing here and there because of substandard construction, and some people don't use the proper gauge of iron to do their reinforcements. So in construction, this is something that is quite interesting. Construction needs the proper tools and engineers to work with on your construction site. So a lot of people have challenges, but there are ups and downs here, whereby maybe you're building it inside an estate, your neighbor who has bought a property maybe 10 or 20 years before you came in, inflation, properties has gone up, and you see them taking laws by their hands. I mean, construction has changed from what it used to be to people building contemporary buildings. You see gigantic houses built with an experienced architect and a good construction company like ours. We try as much as possible to do the modern designs and move on. But in construction, there are hiccups here and there. There are backbiting. There are people who are, trying to muscle people, take laws into their hands by creating their own estates, laws, some bylaws that they put on that is really not helping the construction in Nigeria. Look at places like Dubai, look at places like Italy, look at places like Abu Dhabi, look at places like America. These are people who have gone to the next level of construction. Someone can use a certain amount of plots to build a skyscraper, and approvals are being given, because if you have the proper materials, the proper structural engineers, you can put up an edifice that people will admire. So in construction, you first of all think of what you want to build. Look at it before you go into site, and use standard gauged material. You mustn't use the expensive one, but once you can use this and use it at the proper channel, and you find out you get the same quality. And what we look at in construction is quality. It's not about sustainability for the materials being used. You don't go and use a substandard material, piping, plumbing issues. You see houses that places around, I don't want to start calling names, and you see leakages and all that. So it's always very, very good to have a plan in your construction. You build your charts, you put everything together, and most importantly, go to the government, do the needful, do your search, pay for your approval. Like in Lagos State, they are doing a good job. Lagos State is doing it's laying a very good foundation, and it is a good thing that stakeholders have to buy this and abide in the laws of the real estate construction in Lagos. There are some other places that constructions are going on. If you come to places like Ikoyi now, they are opening up. You can see the sky. People are going. I know that in the next few years now, real estate will get to the next level. So we're here at any time. If you call us for construction, we are ready to build for you and give you the best. Thank you.
Wow, fantastic. Thank you very much, sir, for sharing that. It's a bundle of knowledge, right? So make sure you subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you can get notifications from us. This is Lonely Planet Guides, and of course, contact us for all your construction, issues or construction that you want us to do for you. Thank you very much. Bye.